Okay, go ahead.
So cold starting, you just click the key forward 1 notch and you'll see the yellow light on the dash. It's a glow light. It lasts for about 10 seconds. You only do this when you first starting it, when it's cold. It's off now. So I'll start it. In order to operate it, when you get off and on, you want to set the park brake. The park brake is set right now, so when I go to release the park brake, all you got to do is push down on your foot. That lever is spring loaded. Now it's coming up. Same thing, when you get off of it, you set the park brake, like that. To operate it, you have 3 ranges. You got low, medium, high, neutral. I like medium. I'm ready to operate. You can throttle it up right on the right-hand side, there, and back down. The more you push, the faster you go. Forward is forward direction, and then the reverse one is course in reverse. The more you go, the faster you go. If you want 4-wheel drive, you have it right here is 2-wheel drive, that's 4-wheel drive. If you want locking differential momentarily as you're driving, you can put your foot on this as you're driving. Now I'm locked in. You can let your foot off and release it. Joystick, come over here. We have normal operations, there's a diagram. The one that I want to tell you about is float mode. So I'm in float mode there. Now I can back drag and I can have less pressure. And I'm floating. To get it out of float mode, pull back on it, now you're back in normal operation. PTO engagement, you push down and go clockwise. Now the PTO is engaged. To disengage it, spring loaded, you just tap it. The backhoe has a locking pin here that comes out and goes here. Here's a pin. You pull this pin, you could set it in your pocket, or right here is a space for it. And now you're ready to operate your backhoe. I'll start it up and operate the backhoe. My locking pin out. So these are your outriggers. You play with this and you'll get used to it. If I want to take the backhoe off, this is how I set it, just like this. You're going to simply pull this pin right here. You pull these 2 pins. There's one here and one there. They just slide right out. They go like that, they slide out. Maneuver the backhoe around to get it to loosen up. And this thing will cradle right out. You'll use your hydraulics and move it. It'll come right off that cradle. Pull forward just a little bit to give you room. And unhook your 2 quick connects. Your 2 quick connects are pop-offs. Okay, you pop them off. Once you're done, hook those 2 together and leave it on the back of your tractor together. Otherwise, you won't have any 3-point. And that's how that goes. We'll go around to the front of the tractor. This is your level indicator. When it's in the middle, your bucket's level. I raise this up to check my fluids. The button to open the hood. Everything you want. Fuel filter, water separator, and engine oil dipstick right here. Air filter. Here's a clean out screen. You loosen this up and you slide that screen out when it collects hay. Knock it on your tire, slide it in. That's what you have to worry about up here. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. You'll have books. You'll have 3 books. You'll have 2 books. You'll have a loader and a tractor book. Information on greasing these will be in that book. The throttle again's right here. We'll go over to the headlights. We got 3-way operation. We got low, medium, and high. We have low and high. I'm sorry. You have left and right turn signals, and you have hazards. Okay. I'm going to turn it off so you can hear me better. This will fold down. You pull these pins. Don't lose this grommet right in the back. Pull that pin, fold it down, put the pin in this hole. Now you're getting your shed. I want to show you where to check your hydrostatic fluid. All of it is in one spot. That's right here. This is it right here. When you check this and it's in the middle, you have checked all of your fluid. That's all of your everything but your engine oil. And I showed you where that's at. That's
Other
it.
than like the standard quick attach.
Yeah, let's go up here. You got a set of forks or anything you find at a garage sale. If it's universal quick steer, it'll fit here. You lift that up on both sides, you curl right out of it. When you want to put a different attachment on, you come curl right in there, lift up, and you're locked in that quick. Again, this is your load leveler. When this is in the middle, your bucket is level. If you don't like where they have it set, you can adjust it, your rod, with this jam nut and have it where you prefer it. But this is kind of set from the factory. Right here is your load dampener, because when you have that backhoe off and you have your 3-point on, here's your 3-point system. Those are right there. When you have that on and you're using an attachment in the back and you want to lower it, you want to dampen how fast it goes down. Here's your slow and fast, slow and fast. That's all there is.